In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on a simple but powerful skill in Gmail, how to color and highlight text inside an email so that your key points stand out clearly. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button. Click it to open a new message. You'll see a small Compose window appear in the corner. You can expand it if you want more space to work. Type the message you plan to send, or at least a few words you want to format. Now select the exact text you want to change. Click and drag over the words to highlight them. If you prefer, you can also set the formatting first and then start typing. Gmail will apply that style as you go. Selecting first just makes it easy to see the change immediately. Next, find the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the A with an underline icon. This opens Gmail's formatting menu, where all the styling options live. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure the Compose window is active and not minimized. You'll notice two color options in the menu. On the left is background color. This puts a color behind your text, just like using a highlighter on paper. On the right is text color. This changes the color of the letters themselves. It's helpful to remember. Left is the highlight, right is the ink. Use background color when you want strong emphasis without changing the shape of your text, and use text color when you want headings or keywords to have a different tone, while keeping the background clean. To add a highlight, choose background color. A color palette will appear. Click yellow for the familiar highlight effect, or pick another color that matches your message. As soon as you click, the selected words will update in the Compose window so you can confirm the look. If you need to adjust, just select the text again and pick a different shade. A quick tip for readability: ensure there's good contrast between the text and the background so your message is easy to scan, especially on mobile devices. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, compose your message, select the words you want to emphasize. Click the A with an underline. Choose background color on the left and select yellow or any color you like. Your emails will be clearer, more organized, and easier for recipients to follow. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.